Hi guys, welcome back to another Tech Peer YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome wallpaper. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, go to Google Chrome, and if you are in a new tab, click on this icon and create a new tab. Then you can see this page, and you need to click on Customize Chrome. If you can't see the text Customize Chrome, just check this pencil icon. It will be there. Click on it. Then you can either choose one of these wall collection and choose a wallpaper from here. You can choose landscape, texture, light, and earth, and everything. If you click on one, you get bunch of images related to that collection. For now, I'm gonna choose from image from my PC, so you can do that else as well. If you click on upload from device, and you can choose any image you want. I'm going to choose this image, and as you can see, the image is in this wallpaper. And if we want to change the colors, you can go to same button and go to colors and themes and choose any of this. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another video. Subscribe to the channel and click on like button. See you next time.